Welcome to our discussion on the future of industrial bearings, exploring key trends and innovations shaping the market. Industry experts are highlighting several exciting trends and innovations. Let's dive into what's next for industrial bearings. Smart bearings are integrating sensors and IoT technology for real-time performance monitoring. This enables predictive maintenance and significantly reduces downtime. Advances in materials science are leading to bearings with enhanced durability, corrosion resistance, and superior performance even under extreme conditions. The booming EV market is creating a strong demand for specialized bearings. These new bearings must handle higher speeds and loads while remaining lightweight and efficient. There's a strong focus on designing bearings that significantly reduce friction and energy consumption, contributing to overall system efficiency. We're seeing an increasing demand for customized bearing solutions, specifically tailored to unique applications and industries. Sustainability is also a key trend, with an emphasis on eco-friendly manufacturing processes and the use of recyclable materials in bearing production. These trends and innovations are fundamentally shaping the future of industrial bearings, paving the way for more efficient, durable, and sustainable solutions.